Hello world, this is Sugarcoder. So this is how I made red velvet French macarons. A link is in the video description on how to make just the French macaron batter. Once I had the macaron batter completed, I added 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder and a couple drops of red food coloring into the macaron batter and mixed everything well together until the batter looks something like this. And then afterwards, I put the macaron batter in a piping bag fitted with a large round piping tip, and then piped circles on top of a silicone mat. I let the macarons sit on a counter for about 20 minutes before baking them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. The baking time really depends on your type of oven. It definitely takes some practice before you get used to your oven. And that's it to creating these easy red velvet French macarons. Have you tried anything red velvet before, and if so, what is your favorite red velvet dessert? Leave a comment and I look forward to reading them. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.